Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Magic Motion Videos Review. Hello friends and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we will talk about this software quickly. The software is called the Magic Motion Videos. Right now we are on the sales page, and I will keep this review very short because it's a genuine thing. All right, so I don't have to do much explaining. This software does the simple job. It actually converts your images into some kind of motional or moving images, okay, and it comes at a one-time cost of $27, right? So it says I needed a tool to help me make people stop scrolling, and so I wanted to do some advertising on social media, and I needed to get people's attention. We talked about it inside our company, what makes people stop scrolling and gets their attention. What made us stop scrolling, all of us agreed it was those crazy little animated images, the ones, right? So of course, when you are using Facebook or Instagram or some other social media, you actually see some funny images, especially animated ones, and they grab your attention. For example, this one, okay? So you can see here, for one image, you can have 12 magical effects, okay, right? So 12 magical effects to create videos for a variety of personal and commercial creations. And this software gives you unrestricted rights to the videos you create, and you need to observe proper usage rights to blah blah blah. Anyway, so yes, the image which you will get, you need to have the rights for that image, but to use this software, they are giving you the unrestricted license or whatever. So which means if you want, you can sell this as a service on Fiverr.com, and you can say that, okay, I will convert your static image into moving images, into some animated image, and then you can charge people for doing that, and you can use this software to do this, and you can grab the software for, I guess, entire life in $27, right? Because there is no upgrade, there are no upsells. There's only one product here, you can see, only one product in $27. So you do not have to actually buy any upsell or any unlimited version. Everything is unlimited already, okay? So this is one sample. This is how your images will have the effects, swirl and fireworks, as you can see. I'll show you the demo in a moment. Let's go through the FAQs. So what format images do you accept? They accept PNG images only. So make sure the images which you will have to convert, they should be PNG images. What is the output format of the video? It will be WebM. What size video does it produce? It varies depending on the size of the image, okay? What about if I want an MP4 output? WebM or output is an easy converter. Obviously, if you get WebM, you can go on Google and you can type in how to convert WebM into MP4, and you can use some free websites, and you can do this for free from Google, okay? You mentioned above overlays. What are they? You can use a second PNG as an overlay to create more effects, like looking through a window. What about if I need more help? We are doing a Facebook group. Group where okay, H is missing, right? So we are doing a Facebook group where we encourage you to ask the community. You could also submit a support ticket. So again, guys, they do have the Facebook community, and they do have 15-day money back guarantee. Take advantage, blah blah blah. So no nonsense here. This is the guy who has created the product, I guess, Robert Borsuk. Okay, Robert Borsuk. And again, guys, no bullshit here, no fancy things, simple tool, and that is why the sales page is quite straightforward, and no fancy dreams here. If you want this product, you will have to pay them $27, and they will give you the access of the product. This will be the login area. So once your account is created, once you buy the product, they will send you your account details, I believe, and then you will log into your account, and then you can do this, because this one is a cloud based, okay? So let me show you how this is going to work. So this is kind of a demo video. You can see here, these are the effects you can have for your images, okay? So you can rotate your images, you can actually have some fireworks. So let's watch this 1 minute demo and let's enjoy, okay? All right, so next thing, let's see what happens. I think next thing is going to be fireworks, so that should be cool. So you will have to, let me pause this, right? So once I pause this, so this is inside the software, okay? So here you will have to click on load image. So once you click on load image, you will select your PNG from your computer, and then here are those settings. You can go ahead and choose which settings you want to make, and then apply those settings, and that's how you will get the output in the video format, okay? Well, let's go ahead and take a look at this demo video. I did find it very attractive, and it's good. Okay, let's see. You will see what I'm talking about in next 10 seconds now, right? So now they're going to change it to fireworks. You see, great. Now this is rain actually. This is rain, and after rain you will see fireworks. So now the rain is getting heavier, as you see here. So this is how you can have 3D or animated images just from static images. And again, guys, do not forget, this can be sold as a service as well on Fiverr.com. Okay, so if you try to, oh my God, you see we have some firecrackers now, some fireworks. This is what I liked about this particular program, and it does the job. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated. That's why my review is very short as well, because I do not have to talk about scam or anything. No, this is a tool which will do one job. It will convert your static PNG images, and it will actually add some effects in the background, and then you can then you can convert these images with these effects into a video, and then you can either share that video on Facebook, or you can run some paid ads on Facebook, or whatever purpose you want to serve. You can utilize these images, convert them into videos, and also, as I said, you can sell it as a service on Fiverr.com. Okay, so if somebody comes on Fiverr.com and they say that, okay, I have this image and I want to add some 3D effects to this image, then you can tell them, okay, you can show them some sample work that this is what I can do, and if they like your work, they will give you the order, the service order, right? And you can charge them maybe, I don't know, maybe 20 bucks, 30 bucks, 40 bucks, I don't know, you can charge this much from one person. And this is something unique. This is very cool. This is a cool idea I liked about. But so in the end, I would say Magic Motion videos, it's a very short video from me, and good to go from my end. Go ahead and grab your copy. And in the end, those people who are still trying to find a way to make money online, because my channel is all about doing reviews about these products, and most of the products are scam ones or they don't work. Okay, so still, if you want to make money online, then I will leave you 2 links below my description right now. The first link below my description says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and second link says make money with Kiss Shacking. So Kiss Shacking stands for Keep It Simple Stupid, and Kiss Shacking will teach you everything what I'm doing right now. Okay, so if you want, if you want to start your YouTube channel and create these software reviews, you want to know how to find these software, how to create reviews, how to upload them on YouTube, how to get your affiliate links and stuff like that. So if you want to do everything which I am doing right now, then you can try the second one, Kiss Shacking. But the first one is much better, because first one says Traffic Jarvis, make money with Traffic Jarvis. Now Traffic Jarvis is going to help you to get your YouTube channel monetized. Okay, so if you want to make money on YouTube, first of all, you will have to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once you get those 1,000 and 4,000, then your channel will go into the review, and then within a couple of weeks, or maybe more or maybe less, it will be monetized. Okay, so in total, you can say within a month your channel will be monetized if you follow Traffic Jarvis. Okay, because what we do is we help you to show you how to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within 2 weeks. Okay, so once you follow the strategies in Traffic Jarvis, then you will get your YouTube channel monetized within a month, and after that you can make money on YouTube in multiple ways. Okay, you can make money on YouTube by making videos, because in Kiss Shacking you will only make money if you sell something. Okay, so if somebody buys from your link, then only make money if you follow Kiss Shacking. But if you follow Traffic Jarvis, with Traffic Jarvis you make money on YouTube with multiple sources of income. First source of income will be YouTube ad revenue. So you might have noticed that you must have seen some ads in my video right now, and the more ads people see, the more money I make. Okay, and this is even without selling anything. So whether you buy this Magic Motion videos from me or not, I am still making money because my YouTube channel is monetized. Okay, so this is one source of income. Second source of income is already affiliate marketing. If you buy from my link, I make money. That is my second source of income. Third source of income is if you wish to speak to me, you want to have one-to-one consultation, then I charge people. You will find my email address, you will find my Skype ID. So if you click on show more below my description right now, you will find my email and the Skype, and then you can contact me and I'll charge you $100 for 1 hour if you wish to speak with me one-to-one. Okay, because I will teach you, or I will talk about how to start your career on YouTube, how to get your channel monetized quickly, and then make videos and make money. Okay, so everything is possible. And then again, I have my own courses to sell. So Kiss Shacking, Traffic Jarvis, these are my own courses. So I make money on YouTube in 4 ways, And for you, the minimum you can do is you can make money on YouTube in two ways, okay? First, get your YouTube channel monetized, make money with YouTube ad revenue. Second is do affiliate marketing, promote some genuine products, and make some affiliate commissions, okay? This is how you make real money online. So let's wind this up. And so this magic motion video, this is a tool. It's a good tool. If you have the money, you can buy the product and you can keep it for like the rest of your life. And I have shown you the demo that's how you will utilize the software to create some cool images. And if you are interested to make money online, then check out the first two links in the description below of my video. Make money with Traffic Jarvis, make money with cash tracking. Watch the videos on those pages, okay? Once you click on Traffic Jarvis, once you click on cash tracking, then watch the videos on those pages till the end, okay? Because when you want to make money online, you have to learn so many new things, okay? Without learning, you cannot implement the strategies and you will not know what to do, okay? So don't lose your patience. First of all, you have to learn so many things. So click on the first two links in the description below. Check out Make Money with Cash Tracking. Check out Make Money with Traffic Jarvis. Watch those two videos till the end. And once you have finished watching the videos, then you can go ahead and make your decision. Or if you still have some questions, you will find my email address. You will find my Skype ID. You can contact me directly, and I can help you to clear your doubts if you have any. And that is how you can proceed further, okay? Because making money online is not some dream. It's your pure hard work, okay? You will have to work hard to make money online, all right? So that's it. Check out this Magic Motion video software. If you have the need, go ahead and buy it. Or else, check out Traffic Jarvis and check out cash tracking if you want to understand or if you want to learn how to make money online, okay? In the end here, now we are going to go ahead and talk about some bonuses. Alright, now before you go to this website called idplr.com, as you can see at the top, now before you open this website, make sure you go to the videos of other YouTubers whosoever is offering you a bonus, okay? Now, I do not have a problem if somebody is offering you some bonuses, that is fine. But I do have a problem when somebody is putting a price tag on those bonuses, okay? So somebody might, he's might gonna say that I'm giving you a $10,000 bonus. Somebody might say it's a $20,000 bonus. Somebody might say a random number, okay? So that's where my problem is, because who gave you the right to put a price tag on those bonuses, okay? Did you spend those $10,000 to buy those bonuses and then are you offering for free? So if you purchase those bonuses for $10,000, then why don't you do me a favor? Go ahead and transfer me those $10,000 bonuses and keep those softwares to yourself, okay? So leave these kind of comments below the videos, whosoever is giving you a $10,000, $20,000 bonus, okay? So tell them, hey buddy, I've seen your video, I have seen your review, and you're offering so many bonuses. So do me a favor, instead of giving me these PLR or ebooks or softwares, why don't you go ahead and transfer me that money into my bank account or just PayPal me that money, okay? So leave these kind of comments, have some fun, because you need to tell them that you know what they're doing, okay? Show them the mirror that you can't do this anymore in 2021 now, okay? Everybody is being smart. You have to be alert on the internet and stop worrying about bonuses, but because I'm giving you this website called idplr.com, and there are many more other websites similar to this which you can go ahead and search about. And once you find all those websites, or let's say once you go onto this one, idplr.com, you go to the section called free products. Under free products, you have free ebooks, free software, free videos, free audio, free graphics, free templates, okay? Now, whatever you want from here, you can click on the category. If you want some free ebooks, if you want some free software, if you want some free videos, whatever you want, click on that category. Then you will see all those free ebooks. And then before you can download them, all you will need to do is you'll have to click on here on the top right, which says register for free. So register for free, create an account on this website, then log in. And once you're logged in, then you can download all these products totally for free, okay? There's no charge. And then from now on, you can be a bonus producer. Okay, so stop looking for bonuses. From now on, you can throw away these bonuses on the faces of those people who are offering you bonuses, okay? So if this is only one website I'm giving you, you can do your own research and find more websites similar to this, okay? And that is how you can collect as many bonuses you want. You can use them personally if you want to, or you can start offering some bonuses from today onwards, okay? So this is all about bonuses. Now in the end, we'll talk about the real deal here. The real deal is that how to get your YouTube channel monetized, okay? Because we are focusing on making money on the internet using YouTube, because YouTube is very powerful, right? I'll tell you why you should use YouTube, because YouTube, gives you multiple income streams, okay? First income stream is that if your channel is monetized, then you make money with the YouTube, ad revenue. YouTube pays you for all the ads which will, come up within your video. Okay, so that's one income stream which is major, that okay, you run you get your channel monetized and then you run some ads within your videos and then you will get paid by YouTube. That's very good. Okay, second method is that if you're doing affiliate marketing, you can promote some products in the description of your videos, and if you get some sales, that's your second source of income. Okay, third is if you are a consultant. Okay, if you, let's say you're an accountant, you're a lawyer, you're a plumber, whatever you are, right? So you can offer your services to people online, or maybe to somebody locally in your area. So they will find you on YouTube, they'll come across your video, they will see what which services you're offering or what kind of consultation you're offering, and if they're interested, they will contact you, and that is how you can charge them. So this will be the third source of income. Okay, now I do not know any other platform which gives you multiple sources of income, at least 3 sources. Okay, so YouTube gives you that. If you don't do affiliate marketing, if you do not have any services or product to offer, then you still make money with YouTube ad revenue. Okay, so until and unless your channel is not monetized, till then you can do affiliate marketing and try to get some sales or try to offer some consultation services. And once your channel gets monetized, then you open that third source of income as well, which is YouTube ad revenue. Okay, that is why we talk about getting your YouTube channel monetized, right? Now if you're struggling to get those 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours, or you want to start a new channel altogether, then make sure you watch this video till the end, because we'll talk about how to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 1 to 2 weeks, organically, ethically, and legally. And also we have something for those people who are not able to make YouTube videos for some reason. Okay, because we have to understand here, not everybody can come and speak in the mic, or not everybody is is comfortable in coming front of the camera, right? So YouTube may not be for everyone. I can understand, because you will have your restrictions, you will have your limitations, right? So you may not want to come on YouTube for whatever reason. So in that case, we have an option for you. You can do all this in the back end. Okay, back end means that whatever I'm doing right now on YouTube in video format, you can do all that in text format, and that's called blogging reviews. Okay, so blogging reviews means that whatever I'm telling you right now, so you can write all that on your website, and you don't have to speak, you don't have to come on the camera. You simply write a review on your website, you publish your review on the website, and whenever somebody reads your review, they will click on the affiliate links in between the blocks, in between your review page, and when they click on those links and when they buy something, you will get some affiliate commissions. Okay, and this has to be a long-term strategy, because when it comes to blogging takes time. So it will be long-term, but you have to start from somewhere. Okay, so we will show you how to get those reviews, because when I say write the reviews, you don't really have to write anything from your your own end or your own mind. I'll show you how to find the reviews from the internet, then make them unique, and then publish them on your website and blog. And that is how you can go ahead and write so many reviews every day, and eventually within a month or so, or 2, 2, 3, 4, whatever time duration will be, within in the long term, within 6 months or so, you will start getting results. Like you will start getting 1 or 2 sales every day if you work hard. Okay, so this is how you have to implement the strategy. If you can work on YouTube, very good. Okay, then contact us and then watch the video till the end. And if you can't do YouTube videos for whatever reason, then choose blogging reviews. Okay, so now watch this video till the end. This is going to be very crucial to you, so make sure you watch the video till the end and do subscribe to this channel as well.